Learning AngularJS can be beneficial for several reasons. Powerful web application development. AngularJS is a robust JavaScript framework developed by Google. It provides a structured and modular approach to building web applications, making it easier to develop large-scale projects. With AngularJS, you can create dynamic and interactive applications with less code and effort. Two-way data binding. One of the key features of AngularJS is its two-way data binding. It establishes a connection between the data model, JavaScript objects, and the UI, ensuring that any changes made to the model are immediately reflected in the view, and vice versa. This simplifies the development process and reduces the amount of code needed for data manipulation and synchronization. MVC architecture. AngularJS follows the Model View Controller (MVC) architectural pattern, which promotes separation of concerns and helps in maintaining a clean and organized codebase. The model represents the data, the view handles the UI, and the controller manages the interaction between the model and the view. Understanding and working with this architectural pattern can enhance your software development skills. Extensive community and resources. AngularJS has a large and active community of developers, which means there are plenty of resources available for learning and problem solving. You can find numerous tutorials, documentation, forums, and libraries that can assist you in your AngularJS journey. Additionally, the popularity of AngularJS ensures that there are many job opportunities for skilled AngularJS developers. Transition to Angular. AngularJS is the predecessor of Angular, commonly referred to as Angular 2+. While they have some differences, learning AngularJS can provide a strong foundation for transitioning to Angular. Many concepts, such as dependency injection, components, and services, are shared between the two frameworks. Therefore, learning AngularJS can facilitate the learning curve when you decide to upgrade to Angular. Industry demand. Despite the introduction of newer frameworks and libraries, many existing web applications still use AngularJS. Therefore, having AngularJS skills can be valuable in maintaining and enhancing legacy projects. Additionally, some companies may choose to develop new projects using AngularJS due to its stability and compatibility with older systems. Overall, learning AngularJS can equip you with the knowledge and skills required to develop modern web applications efficiently. It offers a structured approach, powerful features, and a supportive community, making it a worthwhile investment for web developers.